Today we're painting another field of wildflowers. We want the sharp, crisp flower detail in contrast to the blurry, indistinct background. Working very wet to begin with, a mixture of yellow, orange, purple, blue, just leaving space for where the sun might be. In the distance, the colours very washed out, just light blue, adding detail, a little bit of detail into the wet paper as we gradually get nearer the foreground. I'm using a rigger brush in the distance there, just to hint at the hedges between fields. In the foreground, with a dark mixture of cobalt blue, I'm adding in just a few drops of red for poppies, purple, orange. They'll all blend together as the paper dries. Now with the masking removed, I'm adding in the flower details. So I add in yellow and I just drop a blob of orange, and as it dries it'll spread out, blend together. For the white flowers, just a very light mixture of blue to indicate the shadow part of the petal, and the middle bit painted with yellow and just a very light mixture of green to indicate the shadow. There's the finished piece, just removing the masking tape. So we've got the detail in the foreground, a vague landscape in the background. If you enjoyed watching the video, if you learned something new, feel free to leave a comment or subscribe. Thanks for watching.